What is microbiology and why is it important? Microbiology is the study of microorganisms, living organisms that are too small to be observed by the naked eye. The discipline focuses on the structure, function, and classification of these organisms and looks for ways to exploit and control their activities. By analyzing microorganisms up close, microbiologists play a crucial role in combating disease, creating chemical products for agriculture, and even happening to keep the planet healthy. Whether you are seeking work as a lead microbiologist with a pharmaceutical agent or want to work in infection control with the NHS, microbiology is a rewarding career with plenty of opportunities for professional growth. But what is it exactly? To help your job search, we have put together this time quick guide to microbiology jobs and what it's like to develop a career as a microbiologist. Then what is this microbiology? It's the branch of biological sciences that study microorganisms, also known as microbes, which are microscopic unicellular or cell cluster organisms and infectious agents. The different types of microbes studied by microbiologists include bacteria, archaea, viruses, eukaryotes, fungi, prions, protozoa, and algae. These microbes can differ dramatically in terms of size and characteristics. Though microbes often carry negative connotations due to association of certain microbes with diseases, many other microbes carry several benefits. For example, microbes underpin processes such as industrial fermentation, which is used to make useful products such as alcohol, vinegar, and dairy products in antibiotic production. They also act as molecular vehicles to transfer DNA to complex organisms such as plants and animals. Microbiology is a broad discipline and microbiologists study microbes at the level of proteins, genes, cellular level, community level. Branches of microbiology include virology, parasitology, mycology, dealing with fungus, and microbial genetics and bacteriology. The so-called father of microbiology was Antony van Leeuwenhoek lived in the 17th century. Why is microbiology important? Microbes are vitally important to all life on Earth. As versatile organisms, they play a major role in various biochemical processes such as biodegradation, biodeterioration, climate change, food spoilage, epidemiology, and biotechnology. By applying microbes in a range of controlled settings, microbiologists can harness their power for beneficial use in areas as diverse as healthcare, food production, and agriculture. In medicine alone, microbiologists have contributed to some of history's most important scientific breakthroughs. Edward Jenner invented the world's first smallpox vaccine. Robert Koch identified the causes of cholera, tuberculosis, and anthrax. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin, and more recently, Barry Marshall identified the link between Helicobacter pylori infection and stomach ulcers. Microbiologists are pushing the envelope of science and helping to save lives in the process. Microbiologists study some of the importance of the field. Microbiology research has been and continues to be central to meeting many of the current global aspirations and challenges, such as maintaining food, water, and energy security for a healthy population on a habitable Earth. Microbiology research will also help to answer big questions such as how diverse is life on Earth? Does life exist elsewhere in the universe? The essential ongoing work of microbiologists includes making agriculture more sustainable, cleaning up pollution, manufacturing biofuels, and processing food and drink. With the threat of antibiotic resistant bacteria and global pandemics on the rise, microbiologists are also helping to produce vital life saving drugs that many people around the world rely on for survival. What do microbiologists do? Study the prevention, diagnosis, and control of the infections and specific diseases, ensuring food and drink is safe to consume, understanding the role that microbes play in climate change, developing green technologies. Work environment. Microbiologists typically spend most of their time in the hospital, office, or laboratory environment where they conduct specific experiments and analyze the results. Responsibilities include managing laboratories and ensuring high health and safety standards, developing new therapeutic products such as drugs and vaccines, writing research papers, reports, and reviews, collecting, analyzing, and interpreting key data, planning and carrying out trials, preparing samples, and tracking microbe development in a range of controlled environments.